Today we're getting prepared and checking out my new collapsible 3-in-1 SnowPro snow shovel from Brewing Tools. Inside this box you have your whole set. It comes fully collapsed so you can see how little room it takes up. It comes with a window scraper and a brush, a pair of really warm gloves with a soft and fuzzy liner inside, as well as your collapsible shovel. You can unfold it and lock it into place so you're ready in an instant. You can extend the handle, but you can also remove the extension piece and plug it into your scraper, so you can reach your windows easier. Then when you're done, you can put it back on your shovel and it just folds away. I wish I had this in my Jeep last winter when I got stuck. It definitely would have been useful. Normally, I don't have a place to store a shovel, and I have to keep it outside in the barn. If we get snow overnight, I'm out of luck and I have to truck through the snow to get it. But now with this collapsible shovel, I can store it out of the way and forget about it until I need it. We got hit with a blizzard the other day and I was actually prepared. I unfolded the shovel and I was able to quickly shovel it up before it snowed our door shut. Then I was able to collapse it down and put it inside when I needed it again for later. In a blizzard, you just keep shoveling. You don't wait for it to stop or you'll be snowed in. In cases like these, this shovel has been perfect. The shovel is lightweight but durable. Put it in the back of your car or take it with you backpacking or snowmobiling. It's great to have in those emergency moments and help dig you out of a snowy situation. I've used it a ton already. I've also worn the gloves during some hikes and playing with the dogs in the backyard. These are really warm and comfortable to wear. I've had to use the ice scraper quite a bit to get the ice off my Jeep as well. I'm so thankful to have this shovel set because I was really unprepared for the blizzard until I got this. Now I'm able to stay on top of the snow and stay safe with this awesome kit from Brewing Tools. If you'd like to get one of your own and be prepared as well, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I've got some more snow to shovel. See ya!